Each year, over 1 million animals are killed in laboratories across the world due to cosmetic, biology, medical, and many other experiments. This number includes many species of animals such as dogs, cats, mice, birds, monkeys, and many others. I know most people have their own pets, or maybe they're just an animal lover in general. I couldn't imagine if my animals were getting treated the way animals getting tested on do. How is it humane to experiment on innocent animals? I'm here today to tell you why animal experimentation should be banned, how it is cruel, ineffective, and how new technology could replace animals in labs, and why you should sign a petition to end animal experimentation across the world. First of all, most animals that are used for experiments are not even protected by the Animal Welfare Act. In fact, in the year of 2016, the AWA covered 820,812 animals. This left close to 25 million animals not covered. That means that 95% of animals who are currently being tested on in labs are not even protected by the AWA. The animals not protected by the AWA include fish, rats, mice, and birds. These animals are exposed to being force-fed, and they also face food and water deprivation and infliction of birds and pains to study the effects of their healing process. There's even a test that will hold the eyelids of animals open for days at a time, so they can't blink away the product that is being sprayed into their eyes. This is a picture of the process where their eyelids are held open. They're kept in like a little headlock, and they're kept this way for several days without food and water to see how they react to it or how they'll heal. This is just a few examples of how animal experimentation is cruel. My next reason why animal experimentation should be banned is because how it's so ineffective. Animals are made different completely cellular and anatomy-wise from humans. Their bodies differ greatly from ours. They react to things differently, including the medicine they are given. Most of the medication used in labs during the testing, the results are completely opposite to how a human would react to them. Most animals have a terrible reaction, but however, when given to us, it's proven to be valuable. One example of a medication most animals react badly to is aspirin. Although it doesn't help them, it helps a lot of us with pain. Why should we keep putting animals through this unnecessary labs and the pain when the tests are proven to be ineffective? Lastly, new technology could replace all the animals currently being tested in labs. According to PETA, the People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, they advocate and fund several of these new non-animal methods. A few examples of these are computer modeling, which can accurately show how our bodies will react to the controlled medication being used. Another is human stimulators. Human stimulators can breathe, talk, and even die, and they have been proven to help students understand more than testing on animals. Even human volunteers could replace the animals. These volunteers would receive a small dosage of the medicine, and they would be kept under close medical supervision, and imaging techniques will keep a close eye on their brain to see how their body reacts to the medicine. Technology like this could help end animal testing for good. So, how is it humane and legal to still test on animals? Millions of animals are being killed every year for useless tests. With new technology, we could replace animal testing forever. Why should animals have to face problems like this and being burnt and starved for days, so we can't even be helped from it? I hope I have opened your eyes to the cruel reality of animal testing. You can go to change.org to sign a petition to end animal cosmetic testing. This could help several animals by you giving up a few minutes of your time. So please, I hope I have changed your mind, and thank you for listening.